Hi there. This is Espin Dolores. I would be delighted to help you with your upcoming presentation. What is the GRC framework? A GRC framework is a structured, integrated system that connects governance, how the organization defines purpose, direction, and accountability, risk management, how it navigates uncertainties and safeguards objectives, and compliance, how it ensures adherence to laws, standards, and internal policies. Instead of treating these disciplines separately, the framework aligns them into one coherent model, ensuring that strategy, risk, and compliance move in lockstep. A GRC framework comes together when an organization decides to connect governance, risk management, and compliance into one structured, ongoing system. Governance sets the rules for decision-making and accountability. Risk management helps us handle uncertainty. Compliance makes sure we meet our obligations. GRC framework begins as a response to corporate scandals and growing regulatory pressure and soon evolved into a discipline. Today, GRC is recognized as a way to build integrity, resilience, and trust in complex business environments. GRC frameworks act as structured guides, helping organizations align governance, risk, and compliance in a consistent and reliable way. Some of the most common ones you'll hear about are: the COSO framework links risk directly to strategy and value creation, promoting a portfolio view of risk rather than isolated issues. The ISO 31000 standard shows that risk includes both threats and opportunities, and provides principles to make risk management more inclusive and adaptable. The newer ISO 37000 focuses on governance, emphasizing purpose, ethics, accountability, and effective leadership. For compliance, ISO 37301 sets a proactive and certifiable approach, helping organizations build compliance into culture rather than treating it as an afterthought. And the NIST cybersecurity framework organizes cybersecurity into 5 clear functions: identify, protect, detect, respond, and recover, making it a global benchmark for managing digital risk. In practice, companies rarely use just one. They typically combine different frameworks to create a tailored GRC program, one that fits their strategy, their size, and their unique challenges. For example, a technology company may use COSO to align risk with strategy, NIST CSF to secure its systems, and ISO 37301 to manage data privacy compliance. The GRC framework has lasted because it delivers real value. It removes the inefficiencies of managing governance, risk, and compliance separately. It aligns strategy with day-to-day execution by making risk and compliance part of decision-making. It also strengthens resilience by preparing organizations to anticipate, respond to, and recover from crises. Just as importantly, it gives confidence to regulators, investors, employees, and customers that the business is managed responsibly. At its core, GRC is not just a model, it's a practical management tool. It translates policies into action, embeds compliance into daily operations, and links risk management directly to strategic goals. That's why it continues to be a bridge between strategy and execution. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch our presentation. We sincerely hope that you found it valuable and informative in some way. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us at info@espincorp.com or visit our website.